Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Wicked Worm Punch. Okay, watch this. Get your bowl down. All right. Get some vodka in that bad boy. Look at the vodka. Delicious vodka. Filling. Refreshing. Okay. Tasteless. Okay, so we got our vodka in. Oh my God. Why do we have to pour it with a pour spout? We couldn't just pour it all in. Triple sec. Okay. Same thing. All right. Triple sec. Yes. Triple sec is an orange liqueur for those of you who don't know. Now we go on to some pineapple juice. I could tell you a lot of stuff about pineapple juice, but you probably already know it. Give that bad boy a stir. Okay, now let's get some orange soda up in there. Don't necessarily need to be Sunkist. We're not sponsored by them, but so get the brand that you love. Maybe you love Fanta. Okay, maybe you love Hawaiian Punch. Does Hawaiian Punch have an orange soda? I don't know. Okay, this is the fun part now. So we drop in dry ice. Oh Lord. So we drop in some dry ice and then we hit it with some orange sherbet, okay? Because that's gonna create a nice little sludge on top. All right, beautiful. So we have the bubbling sludge and then we come behind with our gummies. We get our gummies all around on the top. Wicked Worm Punch. Guys, don't drop a huge block of dry ice in this. Okay, you notice the single piece that she has down at the bottom there? Get smaller pieces and you go like that.